You know English, but your brain still freezes in conversations. You understand sentences, yet your replies come out late, broken, or unnatural. The real problem is not grammar, vocabulary, or confidence. Your brain is secretly translating everything from your native language before speaking. And that hidden habit is slowing your English down every single day. In this video, you will discover why fluent speakers respond instantly and how to train your brain to speak English naturally without mentally translating every sentence. Most learners think fluency comes from learning more grammar or memorizing difficult words. But real fluency is about speed inside the brain. Fluent speakers do not build sentences word by word. They think in patterns, phrases, and ready-made chunks. That is why their English sounds smooth and natural. Now, you will learn the real reason your English feels slow, how fluent speakers process language differently, and the speaking drills that help your brain respond faster in real conversations. Mental translation is secretly slowing down your English. The biggest reason your English sounds slow is something most learners never notice. It is mental translation. The moment someone asks you a question in English, your brain first creates the answer in your native language. Then it starts searching for English words, checking grammar, arranging the sentence, and finally speaking. All of this happens in just a few seconds. But those few seconds create hesitation, pauses, and pressure during conversations. That is why speaking English often feels exhausting even when you know the vocabulary. Your brain is doing double work every time you speak. Instead of expressing ideas naturally, you are constantly converting one language into another. Imagine trying to solve a puzzle while someone is waiting for your answer. That pressure is exactly what makes your English feel slow and unnatural. Now think about fluent speakers. They are not translating before speaking. They hear English and respond directly in English. Their brain connects meaning instantly without switching back to their native language first. This is why their replies sound smooth, fast, and effortless even in difficult conversations. Many learners believe they lack confidence, but hesitation usually starts much deeper than confidence. When your brain keeps translating every sentence, delays become unavoidable. Even simple questions like, "What did you do today?" suddenly feel stressful because your mind is busy building the perfect sentence instead of sharing your thoughts naturally. The truth is, fluency does not come from translating faster. Real fluency begins when your brain stops depending on translation completely. And this changes everything because now your goal is no longer memorizing more grammar rules. Your real goal is training your brain to think and react in English automatically. Once that starts happening, your speaking speed, confidence, and natural flow improve together. Fluent speakers think in chunks, not individual words. One of the biggest differences between fluent speakers and struggling learners is the way their brain processes language. Most learners try to create sentences one word at a time. They focus on grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure separately. But fluent speakers do something completely different. They speak using chunks, which are groups of words their brain remembers as one complete idea. For example, a fluent speaker does not build the sentence, "I was thinking about it," word by word during a conversation. That entire phrase already exists in their brain as a ready-made pattern. The moment they need it, the phrase comes out instantly without effort. This is exactly why fluent English sounds fast and natural. Now compare that to how many learners speak. First, they search for the subject, then the verb, then the correct tense, and finally the remaining words. Their brain is constructing sentences live during the conversation, which creates pauses and hesitation. Even if the grammar is correct, the speech still feels slow because the brain is overloaded. This is also why children become fluent faster than many adult learners. Children hear the same phrases repeatedly and store them as complete language patterns. They do not study grammar before speaking. Their brain learns through repetition and automatic connection. If you want your English to sound natural, you must stop treating every word like a separate task. Start learning phrases as complete units. Instead of memorizing single words like actually, probably, or serious, learn natural chunks such as to be honest, I was about to say that, or that makes sense. These ready-made patterns reduce thinking time and help your brain respond instantly. The more chunks your brain collects, the faster your English becomes. Eventually, speaking stops feeling like solving a problem and starts feeling like natural communication. That is the moment real fluency begins. Train your brain to connect English instantly. If you want faster English, you cannot only study the language. You must train your brain to react to English automatically. This is where most learners struggle. They spend years reading grammar rules and memorizing vocabulary, but they rarely practice instant response. As a result, their brain becomes good at understanding English slowly but not at speaking it naturally in real conversations. Think about driving a car. In the beginning, every action feels difficult because your brain is consciously controlling everything. But after enough repetition, your reactions become automatic. Speaking English works the same way. Fluency is not built through perfect knowledge alone. It is built through repeated automatic connections inside the brain. One of the best ways to build these connections is by practicing direct association. When you hear an English phrase, your brain should connect it directly to meaning, emotion, or action instead of translating it into your native language first. For example, when you hear, I'm exhausted, your mind should instantly feel the emotion of tiredness instead of mentally converting the sentence word by word. This is why active speaking practice is far more powerful than passive learning. Watching videos and reading books can improve understanding, but automatic speaking develops only when your brain repeatedly responds in real time. Even simple habits can completely change your fluency. Describe your surroundings in English, answer imaginary questions out loud, or react instantly to simple situations without stopping to translate. At first, your brain will resist because it is used to depending on your native language. You may feel uncomfortable or slow in the beginning, but that discomfort is actually a sign that your brain is building new speaking pathways. The more you practice direct English thinking, the less your brain relies on translation. And once this connection becomes automatic, conversations stop feeling stressful. Your mind starts responding naturally, quickly, and smoothly without forcing every sentence. Fast response training is the missing piece of fluency. Most learners practice English in slow and comfortable ways. They read quietly, memorize vocabulary lists, or repeat sentences after thinking for several seconds. The problem is that real conversations do not give you unlimited time to prepare answers. In real life, people speak quickly, change topics suddenly, and expect natural responses. This is why many learners perform well alone but freeze during actual conversations. To become fluent, your brain must learn how to respond under speed. This is where fast response training becomes powerful. Instead of focusing only on correct grammar, you train yourself to react instantly in English. The goal is not perfection. The goal is flow, connection, and automatic speaking. One of the most effective methods is shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a fluent speaker and repeating the sentence immediately with the same speed, rhythm, and emotion. This forces your brain to process English in real time instead of translating slowly. Over time, your speaking speed naturally improves because your brain starts copying natural English patterns automatically. Another powerful exercise is rapid response practice. Ask yourself simple daily questions like, "What am I doing right now?" or "What is my plan for tomorrow?" Then answer immediately without stopping to translate. Even short responses train your brain to react faster. At first, your sentences may feel imperfect, but speed and consistency matter more during this stage. The reason fluent speakers sound natural is not because they know every grammar rule perfectly. It is because their brain has repeated common patterns thousands of times until speaking became automatic. Fluency is really a trained reaction system. Once you stop translating every sentence, start thinking in chunks, and train fast responses daily, your English changes completely. Conversations become smoother, ideas come faster, and speaking starts feeling natural instead of mentally exhausting. That is the real shift from knowing English to actually living in English. The real reason your English sounds slow was never a lack of intelligence or hard work. Your brain was simply trained to translate instead of respond naturally. The moment you stop building sentences word by word and start thinking in chunks, everything begins to change. English stops feeling like a test and starts becoming a real form of communication. Fluency is not about speaking perfectly every second. It is about training your mind to react smoothly, naturally, and confidently in real conversations. And once your brain starts connecting English directly with meaning, speaking faster no longer feels forced. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.